Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically log into your PlayStation 5 Pro. So what you want to do is go up to the top and then go to Settings and scroll on down to where it says Users and Accounts. Then scroll on down to Login Settings and go to the right. And make sure this is checkmark turned on. Now this says automatically log into your PlayStation 5 when it's turned on. Make sure the Bluetooth is turned on for this feature to work. If there are multiple users on your PS5, the last person who turns this on will be the one automatically logged in. So if you have multiple accounts on your PlayStation 5, just a heads up, the most recent one to enable this setting is going to be the one to automatically log in. So if you have other people at your house, just a heads up. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.